In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your sales for a WordPress website using ChatGPT. We'll start by turning ChatGPT into your on-demand copywriter. Use it to craft persuasive product descriptions and landing pages that highlight benefits, overcome objections, and end with a clear call to action. Give it your product details, ideal customer, tone of voice, and any proof points you have, and ask for options so you can choose the strongest version. For your blog, have ChatGPT generate SEO-friendly topics, outlines, and full drafts designed to attract organic traffic. Ask it to include your target keywords naturally, suggest headings, and propose internal links to pages you want to rank. Don't forget your headlines and calls to action. Request multiple variations, then select the ones that are punchy, specific, and action-oriented. You can also refresh your home page and service pages by prompting ChatGPT for concise value propositions, scannable sections, and clear next steps that guide visitors toward a purchase or inquiry. Next, let's improve SEO and overall visibility. Start by having ChatGPT generate keyword ideas related to your niche, including long-tail phrases with clear buying intent. Once you've picked a direction, ask for optimized meta titles and descriptions that fit typical character limits and encourage clicks. Then, request a content strategy that maps topics to your business goals, sets a posting cadence, and identifies supporting articles. This plan helps Google see your site as an authority, which can steadily increase organic traffic to your WordPress website. Now, boost your marketing and engagement. ChatGPT can write complete email campaigns and promotional content, from subject lines to closing statements tailored to different audience segments. For social media, ask for captions and ad copy that match each platform's style and include strong hooks and benefits. You can even generate chatbot scripts and FAQ responses that address common questions politely and consistently. To personalize communication and offers, provide your customer segments or use cases, and ask ChatGPT to adapt tone, messaging, and incentives for each group. Finally, focus on conversions and sales. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm upsell and cross-sell product ideas that naturally complement what customers already buy. Provide customer feedback or behavior patterns, and have it analyze pain points and motivations to refine your offers. Ask it to outline lead magnets, like ebooks, checklists, or guides that attract qualified leads and warm them up to purchase. And save time by automating repetitive marketing tasks with reusable prompt templates for blog drafts, social posts, emails, and page copy, so you can produce more in less time without sacrificing quality. Edit every output for accuracy and brand voice, keep your prompts detailed, and iterate based on performance. With that workflow, ChatGPT becomes a reliable engine for content, traffic, and sales growth.